YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180 pressure side pool cleaner. We're going to take this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180 pressure side pool cleaner. As you guys can tell, I got the cleaner stripped down to pretty much the basics. If you guys want to know how I got where I'm at right now, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. I got a playlist that'll walk you guys through every step from the outside in to the point where we're at right now. For today's quick fix video, we are going to go over the actual turbine cover. So this is just a piece of plastic that they've actually put on top of the frame that'll actually cover your entire axle turbine in the middle of the cleaner. So the purpose of that is obviously if any dirt or debris gets in there, the last thing you guys want it to do is get in and gunk up this turbine, which is your main driving force of the cleaner. So making sure that this entire channel is covered is a big piece. So it's just a plastic kind of T shape. So the only tool that we'll actually need is our handy dandy Phillips screwdriver. And what we're focused on right here is towards the front of the cleaner. You just have this T shape and you're aiming at these two Phillips head screws right in front of the actual turbine bearing. So I'll go ahead and remove these for you guys. Very, very short screws. Most of these screws are like a self-tapper because they don't actually have pre-done screw holes inside the cleaner like some of the newer models do, because of the fact that this was one of the original ones. So a lot of this is just plastic, so you're going to end up having to screw in and out. So the last thing that you guys want to do is use a drill and high power over torque anything, because then once you guys start actually stripping out where the screws will go, obviously you're kind of out of luck and it's time for a new cleaner at that point, because you won't be able to actually anchor them in there. So here's your actual turbine cover. One side does have a little lip that will actually tuck under the actual turbine cover. They call this like over the water management cover or a turbine cover, and then this is like the turbine shaft cover. So this covers the shaft, and then obviously there's this other part that helps direct all of the water over the actual turbine to actually drive the cleaner. So again, both are detrimental to make sure that the cleaner's driving force works. So making sure that you have both of these caps on and fully secured is really important on making sure this works. So again, just two self little tappers and that cover. And now you guys can actually see we have access in here to the turbine. Obviously there are a few more other quick fixes we'll have to do to get the turbine completely out. So make sure you guys subscribe, because that will be for another video that we're going to be doing here shortly. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Please send us an email. Come check out the website if you guys got any questions or concerns. And until next time, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.